pigeons arrived. There were hundreds of them, and, as usual, they all came to roost in the branches of the big tree. A crow had guessed what the man was up to, so he warned the pigeons. My feathered friends, I'll have you know, a man has set a trap for you. Don't eat the food, don't walk below, or you'll become his pigeon stew. But the pigeons were silly and stubborn and didn't listen to the crow. They had flown a long way and they were hungry, so, of course, they headed straight for the food. Before they knew it, the trap was sprung and the net came down on top of them. Many pigeons were caught and the rest of them didn't know what to do. Worst of all, the man was waking up. The crow just shook his head. I told you it was a trap, he said. Don't worry, all you have to do is work together and you can get out. The clever crow went over to where the man was hiding and started calling to him as only crows can do. Hey, you! He cried and then hid in between the rocks. Hey, what? While the man searched for what had made the funny noise, the pigeons that could still fly all grabbed the net, and then, as one, they flapped their wings. With hundreds of pigeons working together, they flew up, up into the sky and far away from the man that wanted to catch them. It was quite something to see. They all moved together as if it was one bird, as if they were dancing in the sky. Soon they landed in a safe place and every last pigeon escaped the net. Ever since that day, so the story goes, the pigeons have learned to fly together as one, and you can still see them do it today. It just goes to show, when we work together as a team, we can do much more than we can on our own. Sometimes it's the only way to get out of a tricky situation.